You've been told to get more views, more likes, more followers. But here's the quiet part nobody says. Those numbers can disappear overnight, and when they do, you're back at zero. An email list is the one thing you actually get to keep. So, in the next few minutes, I'll explain what an email list really is, why it matters more than chasing views, and the simple first step to start one, even if you're beginning from scratch. No jargon, no hype. Maybe this is you. Everyone keeps saying build an email list, but nobody explains why. So you keep chasing views instead, because at least that feels like something. If that's you, I'm not judging you. I've been in that exact room. For a long time, I put all my energy into reaching and getting seen. And when a platform changed or a post flopped, that reach just vanished. I was building on rented ground. That wasn't a personal failure. I just didn't understand the difference between what you rent and what you own. Of course, that being in the online space. So let's start clean. What is an email list? It's simply a group of people who said, yes, you can email me. That's it. A little list of folks who raised their hands and let you stay in touch with them. Nothing technical. Nothing scary. Just permission to follow up. And here's the part I wish someone had told me sooner. You don't need to be techie to understand this. You need someone to slow down and translate it. That's all I'm doing here. Now here's the difference that changes everything. Followers, likes, views. You don't own those. The platform does. It can change the rules, and your reach can drop to nothing. But an email list, that's yours. If a platform disappears tomorrow, you still have that little list of people who said yes. You can still reach them directly. That's the whole reason people keep telling you to build one. Followers you rent, a list you own. And there's a second reason. Most people don't buy or act the first time they see something. That's normal. An email list is simply a calm way to follow up over time without chasing anyone. So, how do you actually start one from scratch? Keep it this simple. First, you need a place for people to say yes, a simple sign-up. Second, you give them one small helpful thing in return. So, it's a fair trade. Third, you follow up gently over time, like a human, not a salesperson. That's the beginning. A place to say yes, a small thank you, honest follow-up. Most beginners skip all of it and just chase views. That's not a personal failure. That's a math failure. They were handed the loud part and never shown the steady part. If this helped you see why a list matters more than more views, there's a free blueprint that walks through how the list connects to the rest of your online business, in plain English, so you can see the whole map before you spend $1. It's linked in the description below. Take your time. The door is wide open when you're ready. So, quick recap. An email list is just people who said they can be emailed. It matters because you own it, and it's a calm way to follow up. And you start with 3 small pieces: a sign-up, a small thank you, and an honest follow-up. Now, let's look at that small thank you, the little free thing you give in exchange for someone's email. It has a name, a lead magnet, and getting it right is simpler than it sounds. Check out this video, and remember, you were not the problem. You were just building on rented ground. And late is not the same as impossible.